How to fix missing chat history sync now option in Messenger. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the missing chat history option, you actually need to turn on the option called secure storage or end-to-end encryption. In order to do so, just tap open your Messenger application and make sure you are logged in into your account. From here, tap on the three horizontal line at your top left-hand corner, then head over to the setting gear option. Right over here, scroll down until you see the option of privacy and safety and click on here. There, navigate to the option of end-to-end encrypted chat under security. You need to click on this option called message storage. Now, as you can see, the option is turned on in my case. So if you have not enabled the option, you will have the option of turn on secure storage instead. You can click on it, then you can enter a PIN. Right after that, you will be able to enter a PIN for the conversation and it will resolve the issue of missing chat history on your Messenger. That's all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.